Hello students, today we are going to study business studies. This is second video of first lecture. In the first video, I let you know about economic and non-economic activities, human activities. Okay, so today we will discuss on economic activities. As you know, the economic activities are to earn money. Whatever the activities we are doing to earn the money known as economic activities, as I let you know in first video also. So today we will discuss on business. What is the business? Here the definition is given. Business refers to that economic activity which is conducted on regular basis to earn profit through the production and sale of goods and services. Means the economic activity, what we are doing regular basis. Regularities must be there in the business, and in the business either we sell the goods or service or produce the goods and services just in order to get the profit or to earn the money. That is the business, and this is the business definition, the concept of business. And profession is also economic activity. In the profession we earn money. So what is the profession? The definition of profession is given over here. Profession refers to that economic activity which is conducted by, which is conducted by a person having some special skill and knowledge, which is issued impartially to serve the different section of society. Like, as you know, those who are professional are having the special skills and knowledge, like doctors and lawyers, CA. They are doing the job and they are bound with their profession, and they have the skills and knowledge. Specialized skills and knowledge must be there in this profession. So that is the profession. And they also earn the money just giving the service, giving the advice, the consultancy, and the charges for that consultancy, and this is the profession. And third one is employment. Employment is a kind of contract under which one works for other in lieu of remuneration. Remuneration means dena, to give, to compensate the money. Employment is a kind of contract. This is the contract because two parties are there. One is employer and second one is employee. So there should be contract under which one works for other. एक पार्टी दूसरी पार्टी के लिए काम करती है in lieu of remuneration, in order to get the remuneration. यानी यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जो भी काम करता है यानी वो एम्प्लॉय होता है, और जिसके अंडर में काम करता है दैट इज़ एम्प्लॉयर. तो एम्प्लॉयर क्या करेगा, उसको रेम्यूनरेट करता है, उसको पैसे या सैलरी ऑफर करता है. दैट इज़ द एम्प्लॉयमेंट. और इसमें क्या हो सकते हैं, ये एम्प्लॉयमेंट के सोर्सेज क्या हो सकते हैं, फैक्ट्रीज, गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट ऑफिसेज, etc. So this is the employment definition. Now, non-economic activities means just for mental satisfaction. Whatever the activity we are going to do just to get the mental satisfaction, not for profit, not for earning the money, like charity, preaching, okay, the religious works. These are known as non-economic activities. Thank you, students.